Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share my videos. Thank you for looking to them. If I look to the formation here, I see something like that the price was here at, let's check, 40 cent. It's going to nearly 1 cent or 2 cent here. Then you can recognize we have here a downtrend here. Yeah, 40 cent was high price, then the low price was 1 or 2 cent here. Yeah, extreme 1 cent, and now you can see the price was here at nearly 93 cent, coming back to 30 cent, and now we are staying here at 80 cent, 18 cent. And you're wondering why the price falling so much to the downside, and you wanted to know what's happening as next. I think we have here a good triangle, but we have also a good base at these levels. So if I look to this chart here, I see that we have here a good base, at 11 cent. So the risk to the downside is very low. If I look here, 18 cent, 11 cent, it's very low. But it could also happen that we can fall to these levels back. So I think 11 cent is the right address. We're looking now detail in this situation, and then we can recognize the fall is beginning at March. At Bitcoin price was the fall is beginning at April. Look here, mid of April, falling begins at Bitcoin here, and here NEM was beginning here at March. And if I look to the formation here, for us is now clear what happening as next. As next we will fall to the downside. But the benefit here of NEM is that the falling is beginning earlier. So I would say that the fall will also very small because we already fall here. Yeah? And I think this is the big negative trend, and this is the short-term negative trend here. So, and that's the reason why we will fall, that the short-term negative trend still exists. And I would say after falling to 11 cent, we will go here to the top side, and you can see something is happening here. We break the big negative trend. We're going out of this channel. Yeah, this was the negative trend. So that means if we want to go out of this channel, then we can, even if we fall to 12 cent or something like that, then we could go easily to 40 cent back. Yeah? After that, the price is pending here in these areas and will go finally. Maybe I think this year you can forget. We will see something like that, test the 20 cent level more and more, but at the end of the day, at the beginning of December or end of December, we will get something like that, and then the price will explode again to the top side. Yeah. This is the strategy. I think that will come so. And you can see at the Bitcoin price, we will see also a fall to the downside, and you can see here at the moment the downtrend begins. Yeah. One move to the top side, I would say that we see something like that, and the price will fall to the downside. I explain you why we fall to the downside, because if you look here, this is our trend to the top side, and we break this to the downside. Look here, yeah, and that's the reason why we will not come back to the top side. The price of Bitcoin will fall, and these are the last act. Some of you can see this, some of you cannot see this, but this is the fact. The price will fall, and at NEM we have the benefit that the price is already fall from 93 cent, and this is a good opportunity here to get this cheap. It's no financial advice, but this is the fact that over 3 years the price stay here at these levels, and that means we have now the possibility to get this very cheap. Yeah? So I think we will see the price here again, but I think then the price will go here to the downside, and we have to wait a little bit that the price could go to the top side. So we're looking to Bitcoin again. Bitcoin is in direction of low and is at the moment in a fall trend. Let's check very near term. Now you can see here, due to the trend, we could get something like that, and then we will go to the top side, but after that you can forget the Bitcoin price. So I would say I finished this today and I go to the next group. To have a nice day. If you have questions, please write me in the comment field, and if you want exclusive targets, then come please in the Wolf Exclusive Club. Have a nice day. See you later.